Good evening, guys. This is Jinx. Welcome to my channel. So we were reviewing chart patterns, and today I decided to show you double top or multiple top chart pattern. Okay, so we are looking at Finviz. This is a free website, so I often look at this website for my, I mean, if you have money, you can buy a paid one, which is a bit more sophisticated, but I'm a beginner and this one suits me. So I'm in Finviz. And hi, guys. So this one is Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500. Most likely, they all look like they have an upward trend. So to go find a double tops, go to screener. And here's a technical analysis button, so click onto that, and then you go for the pattern, and then you keep, here we have double top. So it gives you a list of things that is double top. So I'm just going to click on the charts. So you can see various things and how they interpret it as double top. This one, according to me, I would have interpreted it as multiple top, but these people are drawing a line like this and calling it double top. So as I told you before, interpretation is totally your call. So normally at double tops and at the neckline, people will draw a support line and a resistance line. So basically what it means is, let me take a good graph and we can discuss about double top. So basically your line can be like this, upward trend, or it can be horizontal. I'm trying to find a horizontal one so it's easy to explain. Okay, yeah, this is pretty cool. So yeah, so in this one you do see a top and you do see a top. Basically what it means is the price is going up, there is a lot of demand, people are buying, and when it reaches that level, there are sellers sitting over here. They're like, they know the price based on the past experience. The sellers know that it can't go beyond this, and so because if you see there's one here, one here, one here, so the sellers assume that beyond this thing, it's most unlikely it would go up, so they start selling it, and that brings the graph downward. And again at this position, there would be buyers sitting here. They would be like, oh my god, this is the least it can go. If I have to buy, I have to buy here, and they start buying to sell at high. So that's why this pattern is formed. And when you have multiple tops, it's like multiple tops is like, as the description says, you can connect more than one top. So basically at every top there are sellers. They know that it can't go beyond that, and they start selling, and then it starts, the buyers start buying, so the price is pushed up, and when it goes up, the sellers start selling. So so that's how the multiple tops are formed. And at the neckline, connecting the points, you can draw the support line, and then you can draw the resistance line. But what happens after you connect the support line and the resistance line? Let's say the purple line is your resistance line and the blue is your support line. In case it break past the support line, it can go really down, or in case you break past the resistance line, it can go really up. So make sure you interpret the graphs correctly. And also when you're looking at a double top or a double bottom or multiple top, this pattern is more powerful as per my tutor. It's more powerful as on a short duration. Let's say you are looking at a chart for the day. These let's say these candlesticks represent a day. So if let's say 6 o'clock, not 6 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning, you saw the first peak. So the seller was here and he just pushed the price down, and then it's going up. This at 11 o'clock, the seller is most likely to be still here, so he might again sell. So that represents the presence of seller. And on a short duration, like 1 day or 5 minutes, the seller is most likely to be still there and it's more powerful. But if you're looking at 2020, there was a double top, and 2024, no, 20, let's say 2000, we are in 2021. So you saw for 2019 and 2020, there was a double top. But the seller may not be there in 2021. So, but it also means this is a very popular pattern and everyone is looking at it. Even though you are in 2021, people would assume that because it went down at this resistance price, they would assume it will still go down. So there are high chances the chart pattern would continue, but there are also chances the seller might not be present here, like the institutional buyers, they may not be present in 2021. So it might get a different pattern. But in a short duration, like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, intraday, so this chart pattern is quite possible the seller continues to remain there and he will continue to start selling, pushing the stock value down. So guys, to recap, we discussed how to find double top patterns in your Finviz, and then we discussed at the top there are sellers and they would sell the stock and it could come down, and in the bottom there are buyers waiting for the stock price to come down. They buy and it goes up. So they could be double top, they could be multiple top. All you do is like connect from one to another to form a support line, and here at the bottom is called neckline, which is the support line, and on the top, at the top, is the resistance line. So if there are only two, they're called double top, but if there are multiple tops, just like the name suggests, it's got multiple peaks. And let's for the final touch, let's go to the technical and go to the pattern, and you can see multiple tops, and go to the charts. Then you can see, look at the multiple top formation. So look at the multiple top formation. Yeah guys, the more we look at the charts, the more we actually learn. You need to have proper screen time, go through the charts, and you have to master on your own. So you need to learn to recognize this. I hope this class was helpful to you all. Love you, and I'll leave you. Bye bye.